So it's called Knitbone because traditionally people would break a bone and then they would wrap a poultice of comfrey around whatever bone was broken, and it would literally heal the bone perfectly. One of the concerns is you don't want to use it on an open wound and a broken bone because it's not going to help with any infection that might be in the wound. So you definitely want to make sure that you've completely cleaned out whatever wound might be happening before you wrap it with the comfrey.